Sheikh here is my good friend, and he's about to show us what 40 million dirham buys us in Dubai.
Let's go and have it. This villa comes with 5 bedrooms spread across 7,000 square feet of built-up space. You've got a plot size of 7,500 square feet with your very own private pool. So everything you see on this floor, including the stairs, is handcrafted in Italy. Italian floors and German doors.
What room is this?
This is a private family room, including a huge balcony with unobstructed views of the Burj Khalifa. This is your master bedroom that comes with 400 square feet, including a his and hers washroom with a huge walk-in closet. And here's the grand finale. We're hosting an exclusive open house event this Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Trust me guys, you do not want to miss the opportunity to have these views.